Hello and welcome to English Wave. I'm Jack. In this lesson, you will improve your English listening, pronunciation, and speaking confidence. We will practice 10 daily English sentences using a simple method. 1. Listen first. 2. Repeat with me. 3. Speak confidently. This lesson is perfect for beginners and intermediate learners. So relax, focus, and let's begin. Warm up. Before we start, let's warm up our mouth. Repeat after me. Good morning. How are you today? I'm learning English. Let's start the lesson. Part 1. Daily English sentences. Slow shadowing. I will say each sentence slowly. Listen first. Then repeat with me. Sentence 1. Daily routine. Listen. I wake up early every day. Repeat. I wake up early every day. Sentence 2. Work or study. Listen. I have a lot to do today. Repeat. I have a lot to do today. Sentence 3. Expressing feelings. Listen. I feel a little tired this morning. Repeat. I feel a little tired this morning. Sentence 4. Learning English. Listen. I practice English every day. Repeat. I practice English every day. Sentence 5. Making plans. Listen. I want to improve my speaking skills. Repeat. I want to improve my speaking skills. Sentence 6. Asking politely. Listen. Can you speak more slowly, please? Repeat. Can you speak more slowly, please? Sentence 7. Giving opinion. Listen. I think this lesson is helpful. Repeat. I think this lesson is helpful. Sentence 8. Habits. Listen. I listen to English videos at night. Repeat. I listen to English videos at night. Sentence 9. Confidence. Listen. I'm not perfect, but I'm improving. Repeat. I'm not perfect, but I'm improving. Sentence 10. Motivation. Listen. I will keep practicing every day. Repeat. I will keep practicing every day. Part 2. Useful daily phrases. Now let's practice useful English phrases. Listen and repeat. Phrase 1. Take your time, meaning, no rush. Repeat. Take your time. Phrase 2. That makes sense, meaning, I understand. Repeat. That makes sense. Phrase 3. Let's give it a try, meaning, let's try doing it. Repeat. Let's give it a try. Phrase 4. No problem at all, meaning, it's totally okay. Repeat. No problem at all. Phrase 5. I'll do my best, meaning, I will try hard. Repeat. I'll do my best. Part 3. Short real-life conversation. Now let's practice a real English conversation. I will read the full conversation first. Just listen. A. How is your English practice going? B. It's going well. I practice every day. A. That's great. Keep going. B. Thank you. I will. Now repeat slowly with me, line by line. How is your English practice going? It's going well. I practice every day. That's great. Keep going. Thank you. I will. Now let's do it at normal speed. Speak slightly faster here. How is your English practice going? It's going well. I practice every day. That's great. Keep going. Thank you. I will.
Outro.
Great job today. You did an amazing job practicing your English. Remember, 1. Practice for 5 to 10 minutes every day. 2. Repeat this video again tomorrow. 3. Speak out loud, don't be shy. Subscribe to English Wave for more listening, speaking, and pronunciation practice. Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next lesson.